Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to unmute accounts directly from someone's profile on X, the platform we all knew before as Twitter, using the web version on your computer. This updated method makes it quick and straightforward to reconnect with accounts you've previously muted. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to x.com. Once the site loads, log in with your account details if you haven't already. After logging in, use the search bar at the top of the page or browse through your feed to find the person's profile you want to unmute. When you reach their profile page, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots lined up horizontally. This is the options menu where you can manage different actions for that account. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear showing several options related to that user. From the list, choose Unmute. The moment you click it, X will instantly remove the mute setting for that account. That means their posts and updates will start showing up again in your timeline, and you'll be able to see their replies, mentions, and activity like before. If you ever change your mind later, you can repeat these same steps to mute or unmute. Again, it's completely under your control. This update makes account management smoother than ever, right from the profile page itself, and that's all it takes to unmute someone on X using the web version. A few clicks, and you're back to seeing their posts regularly. It's perfect for situations where you muted someone temporarily and now want to catch up on what you've been missing. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to keep exploring for more tips on using X effectively. Simple steps like this can really help you stay in control of your feed and your social experience online.